Welcome! In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the BIMLOGIQ Copilot Public Command Room Section Box command to create a 3D section box view of any room in your project. To create a 3D section box for a specific room, select by choice. Here, we'll search for Office Unit 401. We'll use the view name prefix Office Unit 3D and set the scale to 50. With just one click, the section box is created, providing a detailed 3D view of the room. Another way to create a 3D section box is by manually selecting a room. Here, we've selected LiveWork Unit 403 directly from the model. The view name prefix is set to LiveWork Unit 3D, and the scale is adjusted to 20. The result? A 3D view tailored to this specific room. If you need to create section boxes for all rooms in your project, select the All Rooms option. For this example, we've used the view name prefix Room3D and set the scale to 25. With one command, all rooms now have their own detailed 3D views, accessible from the project browser. Now let's take a look at the results. Here's the 3D section view for Office Unit 401, showcasing its boundaries and interior details. Next, we have LiveWork Unit 403 and other rooms, all organized under their respective prefixes in the project browser. And that's how you create a room section box using the BIMLOGIQ Copilot command. Thank you for watching and happy designing.